In 1893, Mahatma Gandhi went to South Africa in connection with the trial of a merchant. Abdullah Seth. Which foreigner arrived in India on November 16, 1893? Annie Besant. Barindra Kumar Ghosh and Bhupendranath Datta started. Jugantar. Lord Curzon announced the partition of Bengal on. October 16, 1905. Whose statement is this? The Indians should no longer be satisfied with mere mendicancy, neither should they beg the English for concessions. Lala Lajpat Rai. Which Indian revolutionary was called by the Britishers as the father of Indian disaffection and biggest traitor? Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Who was the founder of a society known as Abhinav Bharat? Vinayak Damodar Savarkar. In the history of Indian national movement, Santhal rebellion took place between. (1855–56). The famine which killed nearly 8 lakh people during British rule as per the report furnished by the Famine Commission of 1660 had struck. Western India. Who called the revolt of 1857 as a war between barbarism and civilization? T.R. Holmes. Who is the author of the book The Great Rebellion? Ashok Mehta. Sisir Kumar Ghosh, Shambhuchand Mukherjee, Kali Mohan Das and Jogesh Chandra Dutt were editors of. Amrit Bazar Patrika. Which of the British Acts provided for the establishment of All India Federation at the centre? The Government of India Act 1935. The Cabinet Mission arrived in Delhi on. March 24, 1946. The British government declared Communist Party of India illegal in. 1934